Love it. Love these ducks. And just the whole terrain here. Look at that. The lovely sun reflection in the water. Oh, these are pigeons. They're ducks and pigeons both. I like the little fountain they've created. You can't see the fountain from here. There's a beautiful fountain they've created. Whoever created this place, it's a residential lake, has created it with a lot of love. This is the place where I used to come in my most depressed years in the United States. When I came here, the life experiences I had were extremely difficult to steer through. And this lake really held me through those times from, just giving up on life. Love it. This is Life Coach Rima Desai, bringing you transforming life experiences, thoughts, perspectives, continuing to move you forward in empowering ways. Bye-bye.